What are you doing?
You know, testing stuff out. This is actually my truck. Not for sale. My crew cab long bed, Super Duty axles, soon to have a Turbo LS or a Cummins, I haven't decided yet. And we get to see if it fits on the ramp truck. I'm sure it will, but... See if that works. I mean, this is about as redneck as you can be. Okay, now if that holds while I get the wheel chock. Hold please. Got myself a little tight over here. Big skinny. Big skinny. Ah. I'm not skinny, that's the problem. There it is. Okay, wheel chock. Safety third. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, so that's our little cheap Chinese winch, 13,000 pounds synthetic line, wireless remote. Gotta be honest, pretty hard to beat. It had some good Amazon reviews, and I figured, what the heck, it's going on the ultimate ramp truck that it doesn't get winched on that often. So I figured, you know, what the heck, let's give it a try. And it worked. Worked really good, actually. Like, really good. Now, we're doing another video after this for Instagram, so I'm only just putting a couple straps on here. I don't need all the criticism about, oh, you didn't strap it enough. You didn't put the proper binders on. I know, because I'm only going to have it on here for about 100 feet, no, 50 feet, and about 5 minutes. So, we're just gonna do that. It's gonna be fine. And we're filming this because Patrick's like, well, I don't know if anybody's gonna want to see that. And I'm like, you know what? This is the most iconic ramp truck. Now that's being a little boastful, sorry. But this is like one of those trucks that everybody wants. The crew cab, long bed, 4-wheel drive, deluxe molding, 2-tone, rust-free, original paint. This is it. This is that truck. That's why it's mine. I looked and looked and looked forever and ever and ever before I found this thing. And I'm so thankful I was able to get it. And I actually got it locally, believe it or not. Yeah, I was kind of shocked that there was one local. Need one more strap. Casey would be criticizing like crazy right now. Right, Casey? I know, you're watching. You got all kinds of special phrases for me. Right? No, I'm just kidding. Casey wouldn't be like that. He's a good dude. Okay, so let's just tie it with the wheel. Sure, why not? Seems like a good idea. Let's go all the way down. Too short. It is. We gotta go a little further. reach. Oh. Oh, you can't scratch that. That was, whew. Yep, going to the gym next week. Not. I need to. Patrick does. I don't. I should. So out of shape. Okay. I think we're there. Anybody ever ask how heavy these are? I don't know, but they're really heavy, and we're going to make aluminum ones for this eventually. I did weigh the ramp truck. Everyone wants to know how much it weighs. Full tank of fuel, no truck on it, me not in it. Comment below, you're going to see the answer, but comment below what you think it is right now. I'll tell at the end of the video. That's probably not going to come out. All right. Yeah, the gym is calling. I'm not answering, but he's calling. Oh, doggy. All right. That should be enough for what we're going to do. We'll turn this back on when we're done with the Instagram video. All right, so go to the Instagram stories. Actually, no, you can't, because by the time this video posts, the story is gone because they're only there for 24 hours. So Bare Knuckle Binder on Instagram, that's a friend of mine. He hosted this challenge and he tagged all these international guys in it. The challenge was called Granny Gear Challenge. That's all I'm going to say. So if you go to Bare Knuckle Binder's Instagram page, Bare Knuckle Binder on Instagram, the very first video clip at the top of his page on the top left, you can click on that, and he's taken all the videos of all of us guys that have done this, and he saved it to an album, and you can play every one of them. He saved them all. My friend Jonas Smith is in there. Jonas is a firefighter up in Washington, and he's a firewood cutter and a fireman, and his is great. There's a whole bunch of other ones in there, and they are classic. So go watch it on Bare Knuckle Binder Instagram page. Go to our Instagram page and click the like button and follow and turn on the post notifications so you guys can see all the stories of this. So this truck right here, I'm gonna do real quick. We're going into truck stories. Boom, just like that. I'm switching gears. I bought this truck almost 10 years ago, and I have slowly, and I mean slowly, built it. I'm not gonna tell you the whole story today because it'll take way too long. But basically, we converted this to 2012 Super Duty axles and suspension. So it's got radius arms, it's got front and rear sway bars, it's got four-wheel disc brakes, it's got limited slip, everything. So all that is all 2012 Ford. So it's got all the good stuff. It's got ABS. Like, I don't think we're gonna make it work, but it's got it. And I have struggled finishing this with whether or not we're going to go turbo LS, or we're gonna go 5.9 Cummins, or I've got a DT360 sitting here and a DT466 International. Now the problem with the Internationals, I love them. I love them. Trust me, I love them. They are freaking heavy. And on this truck, I don't know that's going to work. People have done it in the D series, so it's not nothing new. And that's the other thing. I don't necessarily want to do what everybody else is doing. So you will see this truck on future episodes, I promise. As I get to finishing it, I will do more videos about it. But what's great about it is it started its life in Arizona. You can see the Arizona GVW sticker that's still on there. This is original paint, original interior. This truck has 48,000 actual miles, and it lived right here in Bend, Oregon from 1981 until 2012 when I got it out of the barn. So it's been here its whole life, and it's got a few dents, it's got a few dings, it's got some scratches. But what we're going to do with this truck is we're going to have Eric at Retro Ride's going to do his magic and straighten the dents out, wet sand it, polish it. That's it. No paint work, nothing. This thing is amazing. Like the paint, I mean, you look at the molding, everything is there. It's not missing anything. The tailgate's good. Factory rear bumper's still on it. I mean, it's like you got the Arizona AAA sticker still on it. That stuff to me is just super cool, you know? So, and you stand back here, if we bring the camera and pan all the way back this way, everybody asked, they're like, oh, I don't know if that new ramp truck has a long enough bed. I don't know if you're going to be able to haul the things you need to haul. This is the biggest truck I own, and it fits with like 2 feet to spare. So there you go. For all the naysayers that said my stuff ain't gonna fit, my junk fits, even the biggest junk we got. So I'm stoked. Joe, who I got the ramp truck from, hopefully he watches this video. This one's for you, Joe, because I told you I was gonna do this video eventually and be able to see it. So it's awesome. So now we gotta unload everything, repark everything, and close it out, because it's the end of the day and we're done filming and it's time to go get some dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, click the subscribe button, tell your friends, comment, share, all those good things. We'll see you on the next one.